From now until you open the doors to your trade show, the clock is ticking. All the planning, scheduling, promoting, and every little moving piece will be affected by what you do today, at the show, and beyond. First, you'll need to create a floor plan for your event. The MYS Floor Builder tool allows you to effortlessly create and manage floor plan layouts, assign booths, and optimize the show floor. With your floor plan in place, it's time to get vendors and exhibitors onto the show floor. Our booth sales technology helps exhibitors easily find booths, purchase sponsorships, and digital advertising, meaning more revenue for your event. Integrate with other platforms like CRMs, payment processors, and association management systems to significantly streamline workflows, data management, and improve productivity. Leading up to the show, the Exhibitor Resource Center helps keep exhibitors engaged, making it simple for exhibitors to manage all the necessary tasks you need them to complete to help ensure they're prepared for the big event. Does your show feature an educational component? Our conference management technology handles speaking proposals, creates schedules, and promotes sessions to attendees. Fast forward to the day of the event. The mobile app ensures attendees navigate the show floor with ease, find exhibitors, and stay informed through in-app notifications. The My Show Planner makes finding exhibitors, booking meetings, and building an event agenda easier for attendees. Our recommendation engine uses AI to empower attendees with suggestions on product offers, companies, educational sessions, and more. Throughout your event and beyond, our networking solution helps attendees connect with exhibitors and peers, allowing them to chat, share virtual business cards, and join groups for more authentic and lasting engagements. Boost your event's digital revenue with the help of our exhibitor engagement team, selling advertising to help exhibitors create more exposure before, during, and after the event. Finally, with a successful show in the books, get valuable post-event data and insights into planning your next show with reports on attendee online activity, booth visits, lead retrieval, and more. During this journey, Map Your Show is your technology partner, giving you all the tools you need along the way to help you deliver a successful event. Want to learn more? Visit mapyourshow.com.